Motorola aims to challenge Apple and Samsung with the ultra-thin Moto X70 Air. Presented in China, it's among the company's thinnest at 5.99 millimeters and 159 grams. Impressively, it remains IP68 certified despite its thinness, offering protection not only against dust and water, but also against high-pressure water jets, something that and even the Galaxy S25 Edge does not have. The design comes in three Pantone validated colors: Gadget Gray, Lily, Pad Green, and Bronze Green, all with a matte finish. Its display is POLED 6 inches with a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels and a peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. So it integrates a very good quality display that also supports HDR. Additionally, we couldn't ask for more from it. Performance-wise, it runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 and can be configured with up to 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. For photography, it has a triple 50 megapixel camera system on the back with a main sensor with optical stabilization along with ultra-wide angle camera, and the last one is macro camera. A little disappointing, but it has three cameras, unlike the iPhone Air, which only has one, and the Galaxy S25 Edge, which only has two. But for the third camera to be macro, I better not put anything. The front camera is also 50 megapixels, but where it can really surprise is in the autonomy, as it integrates a battery of 4,800 milliampere hours, superior to its direct competitors in the category of ultra-thin phones. Although this is not the thinnest phone, so you get to understand how it can compensate for the size. It also supports fast charging of 68 watts by cable and 15 watts wirelessly. The Moto X70 Air debuted in China and is anticipated to hit the global market soon as the Motorola Edge 70, though this is yet to be confirmed. Do you prefer a super slim phone or a thicker one with more battery and features? Share your thoughts in the comments.